Most people don't stay broke because they're lazy. They stay broke because they're thinking with an outdated operating system, a system built from pressure, from insecurity, from fear, from survival. And here's the painful truth nobody likes to admit. If you don't upgrade your thinking, your results can't upgrade either. Today, we're going to talk about exactly how to escape broke thinking in 2026, calmly, logically, and permanently. Because the world is changing fast. Money rules are changing, technology is changing, attention is changing. But human psychology, that barely changes at all. So if you understand how your brain reacts to money, you unlock an entirely different life path. Welcome to Growth Magnate, the place where we unlock the rules of wealth, think like pros, and build like a legacy. If you're here because you want calm, rational wealth building without hype, gambling energy, or get-rich-quick fantasies, you're in exactly the right place. Now let's reset your financial operating system. Because broke thinking is sneaky. It hides behind normal behavior. I'm going to walk you through 14 broke thinking patterns and the wealth reframes that replace them. Stay with me to the end because these stack on each other. Broke pattern number 1. I'll start when I earn more. This is one of the most expensive lies we tell ourselves. If you don't manage $200, you won't suddenly become disciplined at $20,000. Wealth reframe. Money doesn't change your habits, it amplifies them. Start small, but start now. You're not building money, you're building behavior. Broke pattern number 2. I deserve this. You've had a hard week. You want relief, so you buy it. Short-term dopamine replaces long-term freedom. Wealth reframe. Reward yourself with progress, not purchases. Calm wealth. Thinkers don't deny joy. They simply detach joy from spending. Broke pattern. Number 3. I need more motivation. Motivation is unstable. It vanishes the moment life gets busy. Wealth reframe. Successful people don't rely on motivation. They rely on systems, automatic transfers, budget habits, review routines. Systems protect you from you. Broke pattern. Number 4. If it doesn't work fast, it doesn't work. This is lottery psychology. It kills compounding. Wealth is painfully slow at first, then insultingly fast later. Wealth reframe. Delayed results are not failure. They're compounding in disguise. Judge your actions by consistency, not by speed. Broke pattern number 5. Emotional money, fear, greed, impulse, FOMO, panic selling, revenge spending. Emotion-led decisions feel powerful, but they're rarely logical. Wealth reframe. Calm is a financial advantage. Wealth builders breathe first, decide second. Broke pattern number 6. It's only a little. Small, repeated leaks drain big futures. Subscriptions you don't use, upgrades you don't need, conveniences that add up quietly. Wealth reframe. Tiny leaks compound just like tiny gains. Money is math, not magic. Broke pattern. Number 7. More income will fix everything. Income helps, but plenty of high-income people are drowning in lifestyle debt. Wealth reframe. Wealth equals income plus behavior plus time. Take away behavior, and income simply speeds you toward chaos. Broke pattern number 8. I have time. Procrastination is the most expensive decision you'll never notice. Every year you delay compounding, your future shrinks. Wealth reframe. Money loves time, not talent. The earlier you start, the less you need to do. Broke pattern number 9. I don't want to miss out. FOMO drives people into scams, noise, hype, and speculation. But wealthy thinkers don't chase trends, they build foundations. Wealth Reframe. Missing out on chaos is still winning. Silence is often the most profitable move. Broke pattern number 10. I know this already. Knowledge without application is entertainment, not growth. Wealth Reframe. You don't rise to the level of what you know. You fall to the level of your habits. Repetition beats information. Broke pattern number 11. I want admiration now. Too many people buy symbols of success instead of building the reality. Luxury before stability equals stress disguised as status. Wealth Reframe. Let your bank grow quietly and your lifestyle upgrade slowly. That's power. That's control. Broke pattern. Number 12. Money is stressful, so I avoid it. If you don't look at your numbers, they don't disappear. They grow teeth. Wealth Reframe. Money is neutral. Your emotions give it personality. Wealth builders face reality early, so problems stay small. Broke pattern number 13. I'm just unlucky. Luck matters, but so does positioning. Wealth Reframe. Luck favors people who stay in the game long enough. Skill, habits, reputation, opportunity. These aren't accidents. They're momentum. Broke pattern number 14. Success just isn't for people like me. This one hurts the most. It's the quiet belief that wealth belongs to other people, people from the right families, right networks, right starting point. But here's the truth. You don't need perfect conditions. You need direction, consistency, and time. The most dangerous broke thinking pattern is accepting limitation as identity. And today, that ends. So, how do you escape broke thinking permanently? I'll give you 12 wealth mindset rules for 2026 and beyond. Short, clear, powerful. Follow these, and your financial trajectory changes. Rule number 1. Build before you flex. Your lifestyle should trail your wealth, not lead it. Rule number 2. Automate good behavior. Remove decision fatigue. Let systems carry the load. Rule number 3. Treat every dollar like a worker. Ask it, are you working for my future or against it? Rule number 4. Keep your life simple enough to stay calm. Complexity creates chaos. Clarity creates control. Rule number 5. Learn faster than you earn. Education is the highest return investment when you apply it. Rule number 6. Play long-term games only. If it dies when hype dies, it was never wealth. Rule number 7. Protect your downside. Emergency fund, low debt. Good decisions. Boring is powerful. Rule number 8. Identity first. Become the person who naturally keeps money. Rule number 9. Master emotional neutrality. Calm decisions age the best. Rule number 10. Upgrade your environment. Conversations reshape ceilings. Rule number 11. Track progress. What gets measured improves. Rule number 12. Make momentum your religion. Small steps. Every day. No drama. Because wealth is not a finish line. It's a direction. Now I want to ask you something important. Which broke pattern did you recognize in yourself? And which new rule are you choosing to adopt starting today? Share it in the comments. Own it. Declare it. That's how identity changes. And if this helped you think clearer, watch the next video in the Wealth Psychology playlist. It connects directly to this and deepens the mindset shift even further. This is Growth Magnate. Unlock the rules of wealth. Think like a pro, build like a legacy. And remember, escaping broke thinking isn't loud. It's quiet, intentional, patient, and that's exactly why it works.